I'm here at the steel wall with Marv Mathwig. Marv, you are the production manager?
No, product manager at STIHL Incorporated in Virginia Beach, Virginia.
Well, I see you behind us here. We have the Rock Boss. It looks like an awesome machine. I mean, almost to the point where it looks almost a little bit like it's going to tear somebody's leg off, right?
Yeah.
We don't want that to happen, though, obviously.
Yeah, this is a new addition to the line from early last year. And what we were looking for is, with these TS machines, we're limited to the cutting depth of that machine. So we wanted a machine that would give us a deep cutting solution, and that's why we've got this new GS461 STIHL Rock Boss concrete cutter. It'll give us that deep cutting solution that we didn't have before, and we're going to demonstrate right now. Dan is going to show you how you can plunge into this wall and get a deep cut up to 15.7 inches with that 16-inch bar.
This thing can cut through anything, you're telling me, Marv. Cuts through anything, basically?
Well, this machine really, in addition to the deep cutting, this machine is designed to cut through many, many materials like reinforced concrete with rebar up to ½ inch thick. It'll cut through abrasive materials like brick, cinder block, natural stone. It's fantastic for cutting pipe in a trench, like clay pipe, concrete pipe, and even ductile iron pipe that we use. But what I really like about this machine, when he gets, we're going to let him run here.
Let's let him go, folks. Let's go watch.
Kind of like cutting through butter, don't you think, Brian?
It is a mean machine. Holy cow.
Yeah, it's a mean machine. And again, that's the deep cutting. You saw that neat, easy plunge cut that Dan was able to make. Now what Dan is going to demonstrate is how easy it is to make square, precise corners. Now this comes in real handy when you need to put in a window or a door. You'd use this machine to make that nice, precise, squared corner, and then you'd make those long, straight cuts with a TS machine. So, okay, he's made that first cut. Now he's making another cut, coming through that wall. Again, this material is rather abrasive. Now he makes his top cut, and then his bottom cut. Now this is a fantastic way to work in tight places, like corners. It's a fantastic way to get access for utilities that maybe weren't planned for, to put in conduit, gas, electric, water. Another application, it's great for putting in pool drains. Guys are using this for putting in pool drains. And again, a fantastic tool in the trench for cutting pipe. You know, it's a difficult situation. It's difficult to get it excavated properly. So we really recommend using this tool. And again, you see it's cutting like butter through there. You've got a nice, perfectly squared off corner. And he's going to finish it off from this side here. And you'll notice here, he's cutting with water. That water is for cooling, cleansing, lubricating, and it really cleanses that, cleanses out the chain, the bar, as well as the cut. You want to clean away that slurry to give you better, more efficient cutting. We talked about those abrasive materials like the cinder block. What we've got here is this chain that Dan just cut with has a diamond segment on every link. We've just developed a brand new economy chain, and that economy chain, I'm going to show you this economy chain. That's got the diamond segment on every link. We've just developed this new diamond chain with a cutting segment on every other link. This is our new economy chain, and this chain is great for cutting in very, very abrasive materials like brick, like cinder blocks, like natural stone. What we found in some of those abrasive conditions is this chain works so well. What we've done is we've worn down the chain chassis before we've worn down the diamond segments. So we've developed a new chain so that the diamond segments and the chain chassis they kind of wear at exactly the same rate, so you're ready to throw away the chain. They're both worn out.
Marv, nice job. Very impressive piece of equipment. Cut through that block like butter. It really did.
It did. And Brian, thanks for having us here at the SPEC MIX Bricklayer 500. We enjoy being a sponsor of this event.
Chuck, you're in, what, 10th year of doing it, so we appreciate you coming back every year. Guys, give it up for STIHL. They have all what it takes to do cutting through masonry walls.
Our mission at SPEC MIX, keeping the trade strong.